The problem of waste keeps getting more serious. Space for waste disposal is also becoming limited. It is becoming more and more important to burn and reduce the amount of combustible waste as much as possible. However, plastic, rubber, vinyl, and other polymer waste are a problem when it comes to burning. That is because when such waste is burned, it can generate smoke and hazardous gas. Also, because such waste burns at a high temperature, combustion can damage the incinerator. In order to completely dispose of this problematic polymer waste, Eternal Vision has developed a two-stage combustion-type gasification incinerator. This next-generation gasification incinerator cuts dioxins and dust by amounts that are well below the legal standards. Furthermore, this device is truly revolutionary, as it makes complete combustion possible and thus can burn without producing any pollution. Chapter 1. Product Features. Eternal Vision's two-stage combustion-type gasification incinerator has a number of advantages. Feature 1. It is pollution-free, as suggested by the fact that combustion in the gasification chamber is called primary combustion, and combustion in the produced gas combustion chamber is called secondary combustion. Waste is methodically incinerated twice. This makes it possible to burn cleanly without producing smoke or odor, similar to the burning of city gas and LP gas. Incidentally, exhaust gas treatment equipment must be attached to incinerators of a size specified by law. However, since this incinerator's exhaust is clean, it only requires small-load exhaust gas treatment equipment. Feature 2. It is economical. Once the flame is lit, the heat of combustion in the gasification chamber promotes gasification in the incinerator. Then, in the produced gas combustion chamber, combustion is able to continue after ignition simply by using the gas produced. Thus, it is useful in achieving considerable savings in commercial combustion, such as with kerosene or heavy fuel oil. Feature 3. It is extremely safe. Thanks to the ejector installed in the produced gas combustion chamber, gas from the gasification chamber is continually withdrawn. This enables low pressure to be maintained and eliminates potential problems such as backfiring. Feature 4. It produces minimal combustion residue. After the 2 rounds of combustion in the gasification chamber and produced gas combustion chamber, ember combustion takes place. As a result, only a minute amount of non-combustible material remains in the end. The residual ash can easily be disposed of above ground at a landfill. Feature 5. It is labor-saving. Since a batch system is used, which collects and incinerates a specific amount of waste, it isn't necessary to continuously input waste into the incinerator. And since the machine automatically controls the entire process until it is completed, almost no labor is required. Feature 6. It uses exhaust heat effectively. This incinerator is suitable for thermal recycling through waste gasification. Therefore, it is possible to effectively utilize various forms of exhaust heat. And so, thermal recycling helps make various ecosystems a reality. Chapter 2. Thermal recycling equipment. Thermal recycling converts waste into fuel and makes it possible to reuse energy with a variety of systems and equipment. Let's take a look at the important components of thermal recycling. System overview. This system converts waste into flammable gas fuel. It then burns the fuel in a gas-fired boiler and produces steam and hot water. The primary equipment utilized is boiler equipment. Thus, requirements of the Waste Disposal and Public Cleaning Act, as well as public inspections and assessments, are exempted in some cases. The Air Pollution Control Act applies to boilers with a heat transfer area of at least 10 square meters, and exhaust gas treatment equipment may be required. Example 1. Cooling and heating operation using absorption-type refrigeration. Example 2. Waste to energy generation. Example 3. Engine aluminum recovery system. Chapter 3. System Overview. Eternal Vision's two-stage combustion-type gasification incinerator uses a method that is completely different from that of a conventional direct combustion-type incinerator. First, a portion of the waste that is input into the gasification chamber is ignited. The resulting combustion heat dries and thermally decomposes other incineration material and converts it to flammable gas. That gas is then sent to the produced gas combustion chamber, where it mixes with air, is ignited by a burner, and completely burns. Therefore, there are no unburned polymeric substances, such as plastic, or unburned substances containing moisture, as with conventional direct combustion type incinerators. Chapter 4. Design and Installation. Because companies and factories have differing requirements based on the type, size, and amount of waste being handled, we will calculate the incinerator size, incinerator capacity, and other details, and then design, manufacture, and supply a two-stage combustion-type gasification incinerator that is most suitable. We will take care of all the work from notification prior to installation to performance of maintenance after installation. Chapter 5. Material Waste for Incineration. Eternal Vision's two-stage combustion-type gasification incinerator can be used for all types of waste, from plastic, used tires, and rubber waste, to food waste, marine products, and medical waste. From a safety and health perspective as well, this incinerator is particularly suitable for disposing of medical waste and other waste that should preferably remain sealed in a collection container when incinerated. This next-generation gasification incinerator cuts dioxins and dust by amounts that are well below the legal standards. Eternal Vision's two-stage combustion-type gasification incinerator is at the forefront of technology.